Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. So today we are going to discuss another new chapter, chemical bonding and molecular structure. Under this topic we are going to discuss chemical behavior of atoms, how the chemical bonds are formed and the molecular structure of various molecules and ions. So first of all, why do atoms combine? So number of atoms try to explain the formation of chemical bonds between the atoms in terms of electrons. In 1916, Kosel and Lewis are the two scientists independently observed that giving the first successful explanation for combination of atoms and what kind of forces responsible for holding the atoms together. So they explained on the basis of atoms involving the chemical bond formation, they have attained the stable inert gas configuration. The basic necessity for combination of atoms together is first one, tendency to aqueous noble gas or octet rule. Tendency to aqueous noble gas electronic configuration or octet rule. It has been observed that atoms of the gases have, noble gases have little or no tendency to combine with other atoms. Why they do not have such type of property? Because all these atoms having noble gas configuration, that is completely filled electronic configuration. Only the helium shows doublet configuration. All the other elements belongs to group number 18 having the electronic configuration of Ns2 Np6. So we know that the noble gases helium 1s2 configuration 1s2, it consists of two electrons. The two electrons present in the s orbital is completely filled. No more electron can accommodate on the subcell of S. Similarly, neon, the valence shell configuration 2s2 2p6, 2s2 2p6. So all the valence shell electrons s orbital and p orbitals are completely filled. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon and oganesson Og. So it shows the configuration of 3s2 3p6, 4s2 4p6, 5s2 5p6, 6s2 6p6, 7s2 7p6. It's a completely filled electronic configuration. So because of their completely filled electronic configuration, there will be no possibility for add the electron towards the valence shell. So it does not show any affinity towards the electrons. Only xenon form large number of compounds due to the chemical behavior of xenon. So this table indicates the completely filled stable electronic configuration of all noble gases present in group number 18. So this shows the general electronic configuration of Ns2 Np6, Ns2 Np6. So I already told you helium only shows the doublet configuration of 1s2. So now the valence shell, all the electrons are completely filled, therefore it does not show any valency. The valency is 0. I already told you in previous classes how to find out the valency of the elements in the p block elements. 8 minus number of valence electron. Here 8 minus means here valence shell also consists of 8 electrons, so the valency is 0. So all the atoms of other noble gases have less than 8 electrons present in their valence shell. You remember up to group number 17, they does not show completely filled such type of Ns2 Np6 configuration. Therefore, these atoms having tendency to attract one electron to their valence shell or release one electron or more electron from the valence shell, then only the atoms attain the stable gas configurations. So the tendency of atoms of various elements to attain stable inert gas configuration or 8 electrons in their valence cell is the cause of chemical combination. What happens when the atoms having less than 8 electrons present in their valence cell? This is possible to lose one electron or to gain one electron to attain the stable electronic configuration. So this is based on the octet rule. What is octet rule? The principle of attaining maximum of 8 electrons in their valence shell of atoms is called octet rule. The principle of attaining 8 electron present in the valence cell of an atom is in the ground state is called octet rule. However, it may be noted that hydrogen and lithium stable configuration means 2 electrons which corresponds to the nearest noble gas of helium. Nearest noble gas of hydrogen. Hydrogen electronic configuration 1s1. Lithium 1s2 2s1. So it requires one more electron. Hydrogen requires 1 electron. Lithium also requires 1 electron to attain the stable inert gas configuration of helium of atomic number 4. 1s2 2s2. So hydrogen attain 1 electron configuration, helium 2, mass number 4. So helium 1s2, and suppose this lithium lost 1 electron from the valence cell, it attain lithium plus configuration. Lithium plus configuration means 1s2. So hydrogen gain 1 electron to the valence cell, it attain the configuration of helium. Lithium gain lost 1 electron from the valence cell, it attain the stable inert gas configuration of helium. So the second point is tendency to acquire minimum energy and stability. Tendency to acquire minimum energy and stability. So according to the modern view, the atoms combines to form chemical bonds to acquire a state of minimum amount of energy. The energy system in the universe has a natural tendency to attain the stable state of minimum energy. So the atoms involving the bond formation or undergo chemical combination, it must having a certain amount of minimum energy. So in all the cases, those atoms or ions forming tendency, so it release certain amount of energy or gain certain amount of energy. So the atoms involving the chemical combination must having certain amount of energy. That energy is called the threshold energy or minimum amount of energy. So second condition, tendency to acquire minimum energy and stability. For making the stability of an atom, or to make the stability of an atom, suppose it may be lost 1 electron or it may gain 1 electron. Lost 1 electron means we ought to supply certain amount of energy from the valence cell. Energy to the valence cell, then only the electron is released. That energy is called ionization energy. And the atom receives 1 electron to the valence cell means it release certain, when the electron enter into the valence cell, it will release certain amount of energy. That energy is called electron gain enthalpy. So first of all, we discuss the 2 important points. One is tendency to acquire noble gas configuration or octet rule. The second point is tendency to acquire minimum energy and stability. For making stability, it will lost electron or the gain electron. So if you have any doubts, you may ask. Thank you.